My dream for how an ICU could be would be a place where we're taking care of the person in the way that they need to be cared for in that particular moment. I'm Rachel West. I've been a nurse for 25 years. It was incredibly stressful being in the unit. You know, there were always alarms going off, and the patients don't get to leave at the end of 8 hours. So if a nurse has 400 alarms per shift, the patient has 400 alarms per shift times 2 or 3. They don't get to leave, they don't get a break, and that underlying stress response is happening. You know, the reason I went into nursing was to be able to care for people. CalmWave is a tool designed to help reduce unnecessary noise and alarm in a critical care environment, really working to make that environment more conducive to healing.
So many people have been touched by this really horrible situation where you have a family member in the ICU and, for example, they can't sleep, right? Because they have incessant beeping in their ears that are non-actionable. CalmWave is helping the devices function as they were designed, which is if you hear something, if you hear a beep, that means there actually is a problem. This is a foundational problem that has had no solution up until CalmWave.